This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your default PDF viewer on your Android phone. So what we want to do is just go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down and go to apps. So if you downloaded Adobe, you can change it over to that very easily. So we can go to settings and you can see I downloaded Adobe Acrobat right here. You might have accidentally selected something else. Just go to the top right and go to the three dots and go to Reset App Preferences right here. This will reset your preferences for disabled apps, notifications, for restrictions, your default apps. So you might have set something else as your default apps. Go to reset right here. Now the next time you open up that PDF file, choose Adobe Acrobat. You might have to download this from the Google Play Store. And then next time you open something up, you should open up as a PDF file with that. So just go in here and download Adobe and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.